Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Aundoo Vaishnavi, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a DIY crayon lipstick. So let's go for it. But first, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification to enter the notification squad. You're going to need Vaseline, coconut oil, food coloring that's optional, I'll skip that one, a lipstick for pigment, crayon according to your preferences, and essential oil that's optional as well. You're going to need a small container to put your mixture in. You can use any type of container you have. You're going to need a microwave bowl because we are going to microwave our mixture. Now pour a little amount of Vaseline into the bowl and add 2 spoons of coconut oil. The coconut oil actually smoothens the mixture when it hardens. Now you're going to add the lipstick. The amount of lipstick you're going to add will give you pigment. If you want more pigment, add more lipstick. If you want a little pigment, add a small amount of lipstick. And the crayon, I'm adding only 1 inch because I don't want mine to be that pigmented. I want mine to be like a lip balm. If you want it to be more pigmented, add more crayon and microwave it till it melts. Once it melts, add essential oil if you want. Mix it well very quickly and pour it into your container. As you can see, mine thickens a little bit because I've taken time in mixing the essential oil. Now tap your container to remove all the air from it and pour it into the freezer for 20 minutes. Now that's our finished product. You will see mine will not be pigmented because I wanted mine to be like a lip balm. But if you want yours to be more pigmented, add more crayons to it or more lipstick. And here is the finished look. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe to my channel and check my other videos. Bye.